All right, so that right there is exactly how it comes out of the box. Everything's put together like that right there, and it comes with this. And I don't even think you really need any instructions for this thing. That is a hopper cover. Here's the little arm you use to spin it with. Very simple. That pin comes out. Line the holes up right there. Push that pin in right there. Now look at here. Woohoo! Here's your little strap to hold it on to yourself. Real simple. Click. Come over here on the other side and click. Here's your gate right here to let the material come out. And I'm running the Protein 2005, and I've got 3,000 square feet. I'm running it at 4 pounds per 1,000, so I need 12 pounds of fertilizer. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's almost dark. I'm doing the best I can. We are absolutely wide open at work, and I'm trying. But this right here, EarthWay belly spreader, made in the USA. Favorite thing about it, coupon code in the description below, 5% off if you want one. They sent me this thing and a couple of their push spreaders, and I basically want to show you how to use them. Now, where this would come in handy is comes in super handy for lawn care guys that do it for a living, and you put pre-emergent in your beds like Snapshot or something like that. Comes in super handy for a DIY guy. If you have really large bedded areas and you need to put your Snapshot down pre-emergent, I'll be doing a video on that probably next 2 or 3 days. And where else it comes in handy is if you got a little small yard. Right here I've got ryegrass and a little section of Kentucky blue. The bluegrass over here is on a different program. I've got different test plots of different fescues over here that I'm doing some things with, and all in all it's about 3,000 square feet. So I got about 12 pounds of protein right here. There's 2 things. All right, number 1, your walking speed. You want it consistent. You want to walk the same pace as you're doing this. Number 2, this thing, you want to spin it at the same pace. I don't want to go fast, and then I don't want to go slow. On a good steady pace. Now the main reason I'm hustling up and trying to get this done is supposed to rain tomorrow pretty good, so I want this fert down. All right, here's the main concept. I'm going to walk a steady pace. I'm going to keep this thing turning at the same pace. And over here on my gate, this right here is where I open and close the hopper, okay? I'm not gonna worry about setting it up here. I'm just gonna barely open it, and I'm gonna just start letting the material just barely flow out. Not even a quarter of the way open. Now here's one thing you don't wanna do. You don't wanna stop spreading without closing this gate. If you feel the need to stop, you make sure you close that gate first. Continue spreading, even with the gate closed. That way you get that little bit of material out of the whirlybird. That way when you stop, you don't dump a pile of fertilizer where you're standing. Follow me? All right, so I really don't feel like I've been fair to this piece of equipment. I'm rushing and trying to get more done than I can probably get done in a day. And it's kind of what I do sometimes, and it bites me in the tail sometimes, like it did today. So don't take this video as a review on that, because I just ain't done it justice. Thing's super easy to use. I'll make you another one and show it to you in the daylight, show you all the features, how it works. It's really good for a small yard, really good for putting your Snapshot down in your beds and stuff like that, especially if they're bigger. And I'll do it justice next time and do a better video. So thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate you watching. I'll check you later.